The Zimbabwean Parliament has been dragged to court by a ZANU-PF activist demanding it investigates the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission over its de-elimination report. The report, which was compiled by the Electoral Commission, shows new constituency boundaries that will be used in the national elections later this year. eNCA correspondent Pindai Dube reports.
Through his lawyer, Lovemo Maduku, ZANU-PF activist Tonderai Chidawa has filed papers in the Constitutional Court demanding that the Zimbabwe Parliament investigate the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZEC for compiling what he says is a flawed delimitation report that can be used in this year's elections.
We cited the provisions of the Constitution, Section 119 of the Constitution, which empowers Parliament to ensure that every state institution acts constitutionally. And here we're saying, look, there is a suspicion, a reasonable suspicion, that the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission did not act constitutionally, and you refuse to investigate.
Maduku says the Constitutional Court also ruled this week that the case is not urgent.
He appeared before the Chief Justice in chambers. So it was just the Chief Justice sitting in his chambers to determine whether our application may be heard on an urgent basis, or it will only be heard in the normal way. The Chief Justice ruled that it could only be heard in the ordinary way. He felt it was not a matter that could be heard on an urgent basis.
Commenting on the report, main opposition, Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, says it's also concerned about the delimitation report.
We have made our position very clear as CCC that we are worried around which the process of delimitation was done, particularly the issue of wide consultation with interested players, the first issue of concern. The second issue of concern is obviously the gerrymandering that came, particularly the distribution of seats.
Despite being dragged to court, Parliament has handed over its recommendations on the delimitation report to President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Pindai Dube, Harare.